Well, we got the trailer on. That means we're going to pick up something. It seems my friend Terry, who owns the orange square body on our channel, as well as the purple 52 Chevy, bought himself another project. And we're going to pick it up right now. It sounds like he found himself a 1966 Mustang, all original. And there may be a few other projects in this guy's yard. So, we're going for a little ride. Get ourselves a Mustang. We are on the road. Check out that awesome square body right there. Love that thing. Let's go get a Mustang. So we are here, not to get that one, but it turns out they have something I have been searching for years. Look at that. That's what we're here to get. What a nice little ride. Look at that, it's got the 4-speed. It is complete. Everything is there. I'm just blowing up the tires. Another Mercury. That's pretty cool. But this truck right here, I have been searching for a 52 for quite a while, just for that grill. I love that era truck. I'm not sure if it's available though. Beautiful. Let's have a look at this other one. Just blowing up the tires. Look at that, it's even got a trailer hitch. Prince George, a BC car. Oh, that is just cool. It's complete. I kind of want it. Awesome patina on it. We better talk about it. We have a 1929 Model T. Still has the hand crank. This is an all original vehicle.
This here one is all electric. All electric.
No kidding.
Yeah, it's got headlights, electric. What else is there? Just starter. Everything's on electric. And then see, 1930 is when he made the Model A.
Okay.
I know quite a bit about it.
Yeah.
A little bit, not much, but a little bit. I can get a conversation with him.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's very cool to see. I love the old wooden wheels. Those are spectacular.
Yeah. I know if I sold this, I know what it would become.
Yep, it would become a hot rod for sure.
Yeah.
Well, it is so unique and neat to see them all original. Look at that. An actual Mustang, an old one on the trailer. The first one I've ever had to load on the trailer and bring home. He said it's a 66. I don't know yet. It's not my car anyway. We'll leave that up to Terry, but it's definitely got some rod in it. But apparently it was running and parked here 5 years ago. So Terry's gonna see if he can get it running. Got some rot there. The tractor caved in this door. It's beautiful. Let's take it home. Okay, we are back at the shop. We had to cut the video short on the Model T. I didn't have my microphone, wasn't even prepared to see that. And then we had to go. So what are we doing right now? Well, that was going to be a one-day video and it got dark on us very quickly, so you guys are getting 2 days of what we're up to. This is the little Dakota that we painted a couple of months ago. And we had to bring it back for hood stripes. It's actually the first set of hood stripes we've ever done. And they turned out just awesome. Very happy with them. Had to do a little polishing on the hood and on the roof. And it is good to go back home. We are currently waiting on some decals for the rear tailgate lettering because he wants those in black too. It turned out really nice, this little truck, for a truck that was spray painted and rock guarded when it showed up. And we had to actually stick with his plan of that paint job. He really likes his paint job. Now, I'm normally not into this type of vehicle. Everything has usually got to be big horsepower, but he keeps it so immaculate and clean inside that it deserves some love. And now that's got racing stripes. Well, geez, we should talk him into putting a V8 in it. I don't think he's going for it with the gas prices right now. All right, so now we're going to load this thing up and go deliver it. And then I think we have to take the Jimmy home today. So we better get hauling. The Dakota is delivered already. Time to deliver the Jimmy to my driveway. I didn't film loading it up because, you know, I'm a one-man show and it's hard to film while doing this, so we'll go see what my neighborhood thinks of it now, because it's a tad louder, totally obnoxious compared to what it was before, and my retired community is not a fan of this truck. So let's take it home and see what they think. My beautifully quiet neighborhood. Oh, it's really tall getting in on the trailer. Just think, I'm gonna bring the monster dually home just for my neighborhood to see. Alright, I can't record and drive it off the trailer. So it's the end of the day and we might as well do a shop update on what's going on right now. The beastly dually is all torn apart. I think we have about 10 bolts left and that motor's out of there. Then we can prep all the firewall and get serious. The windshield's out, doors are off, rockers are repaired, cab corners are repaired. We actually didn't have to do a whole rocker. We were able to cut the metal out and replace it all. It's all done. I mean, just try not to trip over anything here. So we are flying along on that. That is spectacular. It's the bodywork was a lot more than we thought. So it's not quite going to be ready this weekend for paint, but we'll be close to primer this weekend. Probably another day or two, I think next week, and it'll be ready for primer. Because the hood had a little bit of work it needed. I'm just working that out right now, along with the fenders. The axed Mustang is just getting ready to have the inside of the engine compartment painted, as well as under the hatch at the back. And then next week it's ready for the paint booth. I feel like we're behind, but we're actually flying along. We've actually got started. Those are not Volkswagen fenders, just so you know. We've actually got started on my 1942 cab over. I did not think that was going to be on the menu this year. But fenders were laying around here, and when you got a little bit of time, might as well get the hammer and dolly out and the welder. It's crazy what was done to this thing. Check this out. Look at that rod, just kind of tacked in there for support all along here. This fender, you can see through it. That metal is so damaged and thin, we are definitely going to have to work on that. Like, these are repairs that were done decades and decades and decades ago, before we had any types of MIG welders. Sorry, just trying to make it so it doesn't fall over on me. Yeah, it's when we get the cabin here, we'll go over it again, and I am shocked at the type of work they did back then to actually keep these trucks rolling. You can see right there, standing from here, you can see through that fender there. So that's pretty thin. We're gonna have to do something about that. A lot of metal work involved in that truck. And what else is on the menu this week? Well, we have tomorrow night, which is Friday, while you guys are watching this video, we have my friend Doug, who does all our tuning. And he's bringing in his crazy S10 with the 2-stage nitrous kit, and he's done massive upgrades. It is a monster. It is over 1,000 horse, as far as I know, with both kits and the motor. And it's coming in tomorrow night, and we'll be here all next week because we are going to do the body and paint on it in 1 week. It has to go together the following weekend. Because we are sponsoring that truck, he's got to get it finished, ready for the track, and he decided, let's paint it. And while we're doing that, he's going to try and jump on the jet boat and get the wiring finished so we can flash this thing up. We have lots of fun stuff on the go. But that's it for today. We'll be back at it tomorrow.